Where's the bottom of that mushroom?
Go get it. Hurry up.
Get up. Yeah.
Person.
Phải quay anh một nó. Một vợ ngoài đi xem. Dạ, anh ấy gắt luôn.
Who's the main city?
Here's
I overheated it. That's why it's thing for overheated. Oh, what's that?
No, it needs to do. I'll just eat once.
Got it. Yeah.
You wanna join the party?
Hey, come. We're having Coco Eliza tonight.
Coco Eliza on return having safely back from Samoa. We've got Samoa dinner. Coco rice, toast. The best for a cold night.
This is a late lunch.
Are they real ones or the old ones?
You must do it.
Everybody's quiet, they must be enjoying their cocoa rice. And we've got two princesses up at the table. Princess Talia and Princess Audrey. On the couch. On the couch.
Fine. Yeah. You're free.
Where are the boys gone?
Pick up baby from the walking. Baby that came and stayed over.
Baby. You're back again.
Yeah.
I have cold plates, mate.
Huh?
I have cold plates.
Oh.
What a nice dinner
And a nice evening.
and lovely evening.
Whatever. What is this? Nothing.
I paid for my glasses. $500.
When are you getting them?
I've got paid much. So I see what it is. Oh, are you not eating cocoa rice? Are you just going to eat the sandwich? It's even a little bit of hair on top.
Leave me alone.
Yeah.
Just got hair.
Not like Cozy over there. Just about leaves a haircut.
You watched your live when that
Where?
the live, your live. When was it, yesterday? Last night?
Mission.
No, where you at
Burgers.
at home, the
Oh,
burger
the
night.
burger.
It went down alright. But it wouldn't be cheap to go and buy burgers. We could afford
Having
it.
Coco Eliza tonight.
Haven't had it for so long. Haven't been invited for
No, not here, but
She changed it.
no.
She changed
She's
it.
got a leak of water, hot water still in there.
Oh, she's still, she's not
It's
retired.
like a human one.
No.
It's a flip.
What?
Oh, wait.
Knocked out, she's still there.
Yeah.
What Sue's on?
It's a
What, 40 plus? 50?
Oh, I use so much. I just
Ayan,
can't.
Coco. Ah. Ayan, Coco. Ah.
I think I had to put that over here.
A little,
Yeah, it was alright. But it was
Tiny,
was
tiny bit. If you didn't say, I wouldn't have, but then you said it.
Oh, okay.
Come non si vede là,
Yeah,
We got a new plumber.
I'll come
We got Southwark and we had
yeah. No salmon,
someone built it hasn't finished the job. And I rang him about 5 times a day and I called England. Cut me off. But we'll end up doing it ourselves. We've got the paint in the garage, but it's just getting somebody to do it. Who's your friend? Oh no, I don't even know. It's that stuff from that Charlie, that stuff. Did you bring that sugar of that jam?
Oh, yes. What do you want? Oh, I have to do that, yeah.
What do you do?
Yeah?
Jam?
The palm one then.
No, just spread it.
It's hard.
No? No, wait, oh,
Yeah, they put it on the
oh,
freezer.
that's not been fire.
Oh, yes.
No, it's fine. I'm sorry.
You want to not toast it?
No, I'm sure. Oh. This is the traditional summer jam. We've come over to Lingers for dinner and I was just looking in the kitchen. I looked at this and I thought, this is not kiwi peanut butter. It's Samoan jam. And I haven't had it since I was in Samoa over 2 years ago. And I've spotted it.
You did.
Mmm, yum. After cocoa rice.
Good.
Cocoa rice cooked to perfection.
What happened today?
Use a different flavour, there's a couple of flavours to it. Chocolate and more chocolate.
Still eatable.
No, if you hadn't mentioned it, it was it's yum, it's yum.
Is that home?
Both of one.
And she's training every day.
You've got to run two.
Like, or she trains and she eats everything.
No, but she ate porridge and that's all she's had all day. So it's not, it's got to be.
She must be skinny than that.
I folded a pair of shorts and I thought, geez, I'm doing all sorts.
Oh, that's Talia's.
Yeah.
Nope. Say something.
What's happening, your friend? Hey? What's happening? What the heck got on?
Yeah.
I'm getting off and feeling tea. Audrey, I went past here the other day at night time in a yellow bus. I did.
So you're not going back to work next week?
No. Or maybe the week after. I'm not sure. It's on ACC. In my post.
Maybe for a whole year.
Might be a couple months. Honestly, it is. I was sitting up like I've just been on my chair and I went to get up, and all along the front is so it's sore. Oh, this isn't hard. Is it?
Good? Oh, it's always good. Straight from someone, yeah. But if you make it here, because it's the coconut free.
This is the traditional Samoan jam. When we were over in Samoa, with a jar of strawberry jam. But it is not the same as the Samoan jam. I will show you. A nice hot cold toast. And then you butter it. It's got to be with butter. And then you put the magic jam on.
Oh, we only put jam in.
Spread it evenly.
No butter.
And then you go. So lovely. What a treat. Audrey, Georgie's birthday tomorrow.
What are we doing tomorrow? What do you do?
I forgot the stand.